I'm using the Mirage Pro, and at this point we're going to use it to demonstrate the high-end capability of the Mirage Pro. So we're going to actually make today a Bardstown Bourbon Filet. So first thing we're going to do is get the pan nice and hot with our high settings. So we'll turn the unit on and we'll turn this up to 100. This is the highest setting on this. Now the fastest part of the induction process is where the heat's the pan, because of the energy that the units produce and transfer into the pan, so they get very hot very quickly. So what we'll do now is we'll add 2 ounces of a nice olive oil to get nice and hot. And we'll get our fillets in there to sear the fillets. You want nice high heat to sear those fillets nice and quick. And again, with the Mirage Pro, we can take this down a little bit if we'd like. But we still want to get that nice high heat to give a nice sear on our fillets. Okay, now we have one side nice and seared. Go ahead and turn these over and we'll let the other side see some heat. Okay, now I've added a veal demi-glaze to this, and we're going to just let this reduce by half. So here's where we want to turn the induction unit down a little bit, so we get that nice medium control to gently reduce this by half. So we'll just let this simmer a little bit and reduce down. Again, stirring up all that nice sizzle we had on the bottom of the pan, all that nice flavor. We'll let this work down to about half of its original consistency, reduced by half. Okay, now this has been reduced by half. So you can see it's starting to thicken nicely. So now we're going to add a ½ cup heavy cream and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. So we'll put this in our sauce now. We'll let this reduce by half. Okay, now it's reduced again by half. So we're ready here now to take our steaks, plate our steak, and finish it off with our Bardstown bourbon sauce. And there it is. From the Mirage Pro, high-end settings, everything you need for searing the steak. And then we have the medium control for that nice reduction. And there you have it, Bardstown steak.